Hello, and welcome back to the channel. I just felt like sitting down today and giving an update video on what's been going on behind the scenes. So the car's been having some issues. Hey, I think my last video I may or may not have shown that I ended up breaking the harmonic balancer on this motor. I had a belt snap, broke the harmonic balancer. It was just one big mess. Since then, bought a harmonic balancer from the junkyard. It ended up being the wrong one, so I had to go back and buy another one. I have that one now. It is in the car. Car does run, but now I'm getting an oil leak. Not sure if it's from the harmonic balancer or where it's from. I'm actually going to be here shortly, jacking the car up and taking a look with it running and see if it's coming from the harmonic balancer or where it's coming from. Another thing I wanted to bring up is I know in the past I've talked about whether or not I was going to V8 swap it with a 4.6 or Coyote swap or LS swap 5.3. What we have actually decided is we're going to keep the 3.8 for now. We're going to build it up, shooting for, I think our first goal is about 450 horsepower, and then after that we're shooting for the moon, 750, 800 horsepower. Gonna do full poured and polished head, poured and polished Windstar intake, all you name it, it's gonna get done to it. So I'm going to be doing just build episodes here and there depending on what's going on with it. But I just wanted to give a quick update as to what's been going on with the car, why there's not been any videos. And that's pretty much all I have for today, so stick around, blah blah. If I could speak, look around in the next few days to see some more videos coming out. Now that it is almost over from winter, I'm going to be doing a lot more events. I'm going to an event in a week or two and hope to get a couple videos out at that event, so we'll see what happens. Thank you guys for sticking around.